Ho, ho, ho. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Xman Co. Today, we're going to do bacon 6 ways, snack, Christmas type cooking. Stay tuned. Right, guys, let me introduce you to all our ingredients here before we get started. We've got some halloumi cheese here. We've also got some mince, feta cheese, streaky bacon, beautiful cherries. On the side here, we've got some jalapenos, beautiful pineapple, and some puff pastry. Guys, if you're still watching, please consider, if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. We will really appreciate that. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let me show you the 6 ways we're going to use this bacon today. Right, let's do this. Right, guys, so for this one here, we are just going to weave the bacon. It's like doing a girl's hair. Once you're in the groove, it gets easier. This is going to be really something. And you can decide how many cherries you want on one stick. That's the sound we want to hear. We know we are busy cooking. Right, guys, that moment we all have been waiting for. This is our Christmas bacon snack platter, if you want to call it that. Right, in the spirit of Christmas, I'm going to taste a few. I'm going to tell you what I think about it. We didn't talk much throughout the video. I just wanted you guys to see, straightforward, very easy to do this, and we had some fun. Right, so first of all, we've got some halloumi cheese over here with bacon wrapped. Over here we got some pastry bacon knots. Here we got some mince in bacon. That was quite cool doing it in the ice tray, eh? We've got some pineapple wrapped in bacon. Slight disaster, but not the end of the world. It's still going to be nice. We've got some jalapenos fitted with some feta cheese and bacon, obvious. And then over here we've got some cherries with bacon, wrapped in bacon. So I'm sure all of this is going to be delicious. There's a few that I'm really after, that I really want to enjoy. So let's do that. Right, first of all, let's cut into this baby here. Beautiful. Look at that. Hey guys, look there. Should I taste it? Why not? Wow. This is how it's supposed to taste. You're not supposed to talk with food in your mouth, but this is delicious. Let's taste this mince here. Just to show you, you just cut in between. Look at that. Shall we cut it open slightly? Why not? There you go, just to show you it's fully cooked. Beautiful. Yeah? Guess what? It's bite-sized. It's just amazing. This is absolutely divine. You know the story. If you like what we're doing here, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. We can't do it without you. See you in the next one. Cheers. That's fantastic. Okay.